In this video, I will be showing you how to upload images to Chatgpt app on your phone. Let's get started. From my home screen, I tap on the Chatgpt app icon to launch it. A system pop-up appears asking for microphone access, and I tap Allow to enable voice features. Another screen introduces the voice capabilities, explaining natural conversations and privacy control, so I hit Continue. Now I am prompted to choose a voice for the assistant, showing a loading icon, and the assistant screen welcomes me, so I tap Get Started. Back on the main chat interface, I locate the input bar at the bottom. I tap the small folder icon next to the mic symbol to bring up media options. A menu pops up with choices for camera, photos, files, and plugins, and I select Photos. Another prompt appears for photo library permissions, and I confirm by tapping OK. To ensure the app can access my pictures, a final permission screen asks for full access, and I select Allow Full Access. Now, my photo gallery is visible directly inside the interface. I browse through the images and tap the first portrait photo to select it. With the image attached to the input field, I tap inside the text area to bring up the keyboard. I type out a detailed prompt specifying the exact edits I want to make to the outfit while keeping the background, pose, and face completely intact. After checking the instructions, I press the blue send arrow. The app begins processing the image, showing text indicators for sketching it out, making the first draft, setting the scene, polishing details, finishing up, and adding final touches. Once the generation is complete, the edited image appears in the chat showing the subject in a beautiful royal blue dress. I tap on the new image to view it full screen. To save the result, I tap the three dots at the top to open the options and select Share, then select the download icon to save it directly to my device. The screen displays an image saved notification confirming it is in my gallery. I go back to the chat history to see the generation details one more time. Finally, I close the Chatgpt app, open my native Photos app, and verify that the edited picture is correctly stored in my camera roll. I tap on the photo to zoom in on the details, ensuring everything looks crisp and well edited before finishing up. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.